Dito tayo kay number 3, si Rocky Cueva.
Ay, ang sweet naman ni Rocky. Hi, Rocky.
Thank you so much.
All the way from Palawan.
Para hindi umakma yung Rocky, no?
Ba't di mo pa pinilitan? Ba't Rocky pa rin na ginagamit mong pangalan?
Kasi naisip ko, yung dad ko, he already passed away. And when I was born, I was the youngest of 7 kids.
Right.
So when I was born, my dad was so happy. He's so enthusiastic. He couldn't sleep for like 2 days just to give me a name. Just to give me a name. So he's a frustrated boxer.
Okay.
So he loved Rocky Balboa. That's
Yeah.
Right.
famous.
Sylvester Stallone.
Sylvester Stallone, correct.
Yes.
Rocky 1 to 5 ata yun.
Yes.
Growing up, I was watching that movie and I
He
turned
made you
out
watch
to be the
Rocky.
opposite. Naging ring girl, hindi naging boxer.
Yung...
But,
Pero pwede naman ang girls.
So, hindi ko
who
na
can take
pinalitan.
boxing. Oo.
so, kinip ko na siya because... And also yung sa movie ni Kim Chu, yung Bride for Rent, her name was Rocky.
Rocky.
So,
Yeah.
I felt like Rocky is like
Gender-neutral
Tony.
name.
Alex is a very gender-neutral name.
Yeah.
Like Tony and Alex, na pwede sa girl and pwede sa trans woman like me.
Correct.
Tama.
Pero tinuruan ka rin mag-boxing ng dad mo dati.
Sobra. Kasi me growing up, because I've already realized that I'm trans. Oh no, syempre before it wasn't coined that word.
Correct.
Trans. It was
Yes.
just very recently.
Correct.
We thought before that, I thought to myself that I was gay. So I came out to my family as gay.
Yes, yes.
But I'm so happy that I have a very colorful childhood. My dad loved me so
Embrace
much.
it.
Sometimes we felt like, oh, baka malaman ni mama or ni papa
Correct.
na bakla ako
Oo,
or I'm gay.
oo.
But trust me, parents, they already knew before we open our mouth and say
Totoo
those words or
yun.
linger those words.
Yeah.
So, ang sinabi na sa akin ng tatay ko, alam ko na kasi pag nililinis ko yung gloves na pinagpa-practice ako ng boxing, may buhok eh. So, bakit? Sabi niya, bakit magkakabuhok? Kasi yung pagsuntok ko ng ganun, pagbawi,
Sa
may
bunot?
May sabunot. Naging
Ay,
cat
ipit.
sa bahay.
Oo,
Naging
diba?
cat fight bigla.
Pag bigwas ko ng ganun, pag ganyan, may sabunot. So, oh my God. So, alam niya na.
Na-reveal na ron. Na parang,
So, nagpa-boxing ka talaga. Try mo nga kay number 2.
Pinapahan nga ako eh.
May gusto sabihin si number 2. May gusto sabihin si number 2.
No.
O, sabi mo si number 3, ha?
I'm not understand you. Why did you English? Are you call center?
No, because I have a boyfriend.
Oh, apang yung boyfriend.
Tell us more about your
British.
boyfriend. Tell us more.
Kaya ganun yung
Anong
accent eh.
boyfriend,
Yes.
foreigner? Anong lahi?
He's from the UK.
Oh!
Saan kayo nagkakilala? Sa Palawan?
British.
Yes, from my beautiful province because for our madlang people, ako po ay isang butihing tourist guide ng aming probinsya.
Ay,
Love
Saan
it.
yan? Saan?
For 9 years, Palawan po.
Saan sa Palawan?
Puerto Princesa.
Puerto
Maganda.
So,
Princesa.
doon kayo nagkakilala sa
Yes,
pagtuturo?
pero hindi ko po siya guest because we're not allowed to mingle as part of our professional
Yes,
Yes.
dapat professional.
Yes.
Oo.
Guest siya ng ibang tour guide.
Okay.
But since we launched on the same place, lahat ng
Yes.
guest, kahit guest ko, guest mo,
Yeah,
pareho
yeah,
tayong
yeah.
tour guide.
Nag-
We went to the
nagkikita
same
kayo.
place for lunch. And he's been eyeing me for the whole tour.
Oh, ganda.
Titik na titig. Oh.
Number... Nagka-jowa nga si number 2, di ba, ma? Ako pa kaya? Sorry lang. I love you,
Ay,
ma.
grabe.
So, tapos nun, syempre, I'm scared because may mga chika as a trans na pag nagka-jowa ka ng afam, baka mamaya, pag hindi mo sinabi na trans ka, mapapahama ka or something.
pakasaktan.
Oo, oo, oo.
Diba? Or dalhin ka sa ibang bansa. So, parang tinanong niya ako, sa, hey, you're so pretty.
Yeah.
Wow.
Can I get your number?
Pretty.
Yeah.
So pretty. Pero may accent sa kanya kasi yung accent ko naman hindi British. So, you're so pretty. Sabi ko, thank you so much. Tapos sabi niya, what's your name? Sabi ko, my name is Rocky. Sabi niya,
Rocky?
is that a female name in the
Name?
Philippines?
Yeah,
Sabi ko,
yeah.
actually not, because I'm not born a woman. I just transitioned to become a woman that I am today.
Wow.
Because I am a
Sinabi mo agad,
woman.
ah?
I am a woman by transgender experience.
Correct.
I wasn't born a natural born woman, so I transitioned to become one.
Yes.
So para, if he
Malinaw
doesn't like
agad.
me that specific moment in time that he was asking for my number and my name, you can go.
Yes.
Tapos,
Alam na
anong
niya.
reaction niya?
I'm waiting for my Prince Charming to come.
Anong
And then
reaction niya
I was
sinabi mo?
surprised kasi sinabi niya, no, it's okay because I was married before. I tried to be, I'm divorced now.
Okay.
I'm on the process of getting a divorce.
Oo.
I already have 2 kids. So, having a kid with my partner is not a problem because I've already experienced being a dad. So, a trans woman, I'm just looking for someone who's pretty, caring, and loving.
Basta compatible.
Yes.
Yan nga, diba?
So,
Talaga importante.
to not make more time,
Oh.
naging 5 years na kami. together.
5 years.
Wow, 5 years na. Nakaka-inspire
Yes.
naman.
Tsaka mukhang nakausap ni Ate Trina to, alam niyo yung oras, wala na.
Yes.
Ang bilis naman ng panahon. Ang sarap kasi chumika. Ang interesting ng kanilang
Yes.
bawat story.
Nakwento halos lahat.
Yeah.
Eh.
Bong-
Pareho kami English share ni Ate Ann.
Yeah.
Bongbong, what can you say about it?
Ano, the love story of Rocky.
I'm so happy to be here. I'm so glad to. What are you saying? You're pretty.
Yeah, pretty.
You're pretty.
Pretty man, no?
Prito yun.
Libre pala yun. Eh.
But ano, nakakatuwa kasi iba-iba sila ng personality.
Yes.
Yung kwento
Yeah.
nila, bawat isa nakaka-inspire.
At sila
Actually,
in love, di ba?
Lahat ng kwento nila nakaka-inspire. Lahat sila.
Correct. Maganda yung mga story ng buhay nyo. Kaya
Iba-ibang klaseng love.
Yes.
Yes, pero mai-inspire kaya tayo sa kanilang mga sagot mamaya.
Ayan.
Tingnan
Magkakalaman.
natin.
Oo.
Ayan.